The average water treatment facility operates 24 hours, 365 days a year. There are no breaks, no pauses, and little room for failure. These facilities rely on highly engineered systems, including industrial water treatment headers, to keep their facilities running.
Water treatment headers are fabricated piping assemblies designed to distribute water or air evenly throughout industrial water treatment systems. Because headers operate in demanding environments, weld quality is essential. All welding at Astro is performed by qualified welders under the supervision of a certified welding inspector. Our welders follow the AWS D1.6 structural welding code requirements for stainless steel fabrication. Specified header testing activities can include leak testing, die penetrant testing, dimensional verification, and weld inspections. Many water treatment facilities operating today were originally constructed decades ago. As this infrastructure continues to age, facilities are increasingly investing in retrofit and modernization projects. Astro Metal Craft specializes in the fabrication of custom water treatment headers and other complex stainless steel components for industrial systems. Every successful project begins with collaboration. Our experienced project managers work closely with the customers to understand scope requirements. Astro Metal Craft has the expertise, capabilities, and manufacturing capacity to deliver reliable solutions for large-scale industrial projects. By bringing welding, machining, fabrication, and quality control together under one roof, Astro maintains complete visibility and accountability over the fabrication process. This integrated approach allows us to efficiently manage complex projects and scopes. Contact Astro Metal Craft today to discuss how our team can support your next industrial fabrication project.